See now what is standard hydrogen electrode, that is SHE. S means standard and H means hydrogen and E means electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. It is nothing but electrode only. See here, we have seen this oxidation of cell or anode of this Daniell cell. In this rod, zinc rod is an electrode. And you have seen this is reduction of cell or cathode of Daniell cell. In this, copper is an electrode. Like that, hydrogen electrode. This is zinc electrode and this is copper electrode. Like that, one more electrode, that is hydrogen gas electrode. You know that if concentration of species involved is 1 molar, that is if concentration of this ZnSO4 solution is 1 molar, we call that as standard. Here also, if the concentration of the solution of this hydrogen, electrolytic solution of hydrogen is 1 molar, then it is standard hydrogen electrolyte, standard hydrogen electrolyte. That's the meaning of standard hydrogen electrolyte. Electrode, not electrolyte, electrode. See now what is that? This is the standard hydrogen electrode. In this, the standard hydrogen electrode consists of a platinum electrode coated with platinum block. See here, this rectangular plate is platinum electrode. This is platinum electrode. On this platinum block means platinum powder is coated. This is platinum electrode. This rectangular plate is platinum electrode. On this platinum block, that is platinum powder is coated, deposited. Why? In order to increase the surface area of absorption of hydrogen. You will understand, I will tell afterwards. In order to increase the adsorption area of the hydrogen, this is platinum is coated with platinum block, and this is connected through an wire. See, this is wire, and it is enclosed in a jar. See, this is jar, glass jar, and it has provided an inlet for hydrogen gas to enter. See now, this electrode is dipped in 1 molar acetic acid solution. This whole electrode setup is dipped in, this is 1 molar acetic acid solution. In this container we take 1 molar acetic acid solution. 1 molar acetic acid solution means concentration of acetic acid solution is 1 molarity, that is 1 mole per liter. So only this hydrogen electrode is standard hydrogen electrode. If the concentration of this acetic acid is not 1 molar, then this hydrogen electrode is called normal hydrogen electrode. That's the meaning. That's what difference. See now, this whole electrode is dipped in 1 molar acetic acid solution, and a pure hydrogen gas is bubbled through it at 1 bar pressure. See here, at 1 bar pressure, pure hydrogen gas is bubbled through it. This hydrogen gas will come here and adsorbed on this platinum surface, platinum electrode. Adsorbed means those hydrogen electrode on the surface, they will get deposited. On the surface of electrode, those hydrogen atoms will get, hydrogen molecules will get deposited here on the surface of the electrode. What happens now? This standard hydrogen electrode consists of the rectangular platinum electrode, and it is coated with platinum block, and it is connected through a wire, and it is enclosed by a jar, and it is provided with an inlet. This whole electrode is dipped in 1 molar acetic acid solution, and hydrogen gas is passing at 1 bar pressure, and these hydrogen gases are absorbing, that is sitting on the this platinum surface. See now, in this 1 molar acidic acid solution, that is HCl solution, in HCl solution this is electrolyte, then it is electrolytic solution. In electrolytic solution, this HCl will be in ionic form, that is H plus and Cl minus form. See, in this solution H plus and Cl minus ions will be there. What will be there in this solution? H plus and Cl minus ions will be there. Those H plus ions and this hydrogen gas will attain equilibrium. There will be equilibrium. See, these H plus ions of this solution take 1 electrons from the oxidation of cell, so get reduced to H2, and this like this it will be attaining equilibrium with this hydrogen gases which are on the platinum electrode and H plus ions of the solution. This equilibrium, this reaction will cause electrode potential of this hydrogen electrode. What? This the reaction between H plus ions of this solution and hydrogen gas which are on the platinum electrode. This reaction is caused the electrode potential of this hydrogen electrode. And one more thing, its electrode potential is taken as 0. Electrode potential of standard hydrogen electrode is taken as 0. Remember this one, it is very important. Conveniently, actually its potential is nearly equal to 0, so we take its electrode potential, that is electrode potential of standard hydrogen electrode is 0. See, and it is represented by how it is represented. See, this is platinum electrode, it is solid and it is in contact with H2 gas are deposited on platinum, so it is in contact with H2 gas. This bar indicates interface between platinum and hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is in contact with H plus ions of the solution. See, this bar indicates interface between H2 gas and H plus ions of the solution. This H plus ions are aqueous solution of this HCl, so aqueous. So it is represented by like this. This is all about standard hydrogen electrode. See, remember, if the concentration of this acidic acid solution is not equal to 1 molar, then it is called as normal hydrogen electrode. If the concentration of HCl is 1 molar, then it is called standard hydrogen electrode, and its electrode potential is 0. Remember this one. These are very, very important points. In the next video, I will tell you, actually we use this as a standard. We use this as a standard to measure the electrode potential of other electrodes, and I will show you how to measure the electrode potential of this others electrode by using this standard hydrogen electrode. There is measurement of electrode potential. I will explain that one in next video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.